Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
दुनिया को रफा दफा ना करने देगी मजा मजा एकदम से मेरा दम नहीं भरता दम ये मुझको और पिला दे मैनू और पिला.
Hi everybody, thanks for coming this evening and I just बहुत लोगों की complaints रहती हैं कि मैं set पे bites नहीं देती हूँ, but today here I am because I've done something concrete and Ramji brought me with the idea that it's going to be a solo video, so that's why I said yes as to if any questions were there. So बहुत पंजाबी म्यूजिक वीडियोस में होता है there is a singer and then लड़की के चलते फिरते ब्यूटी शॉट्स होते हैं and this is the norm, quite a norm all the Punjabi videos or any actress that would. But he called me and he just said one thing, it's going to be your solo video, and here it is. And I couldn't be happier, and I think the outcome is good. And thank you Jyotika for singing such a great song, and I really had fun shooting it. And it was in Goa, of course, Bombay. 3 साल पहले एक song आया था, छोटी सी निक्कर पहने छोटी सी निक्कर मैं पार्टी करने जाऊँ पहने छोटी सी निक्कर हर कोई मुझको देखे क्योंकि सेक्सी है फिगर. सो जब ये सॉन्ग आया था सो आई हैड बिकम सो एडिक्टेड टू इट. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम अपनी कॉलर ट्यून ये सॉन्ग रखी थी एंड व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो रामजी हैज अप्रोच्ड मी फॉर अ सॉन्ग, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग आई वांटेड विद हिम द रीमिक्स should have me in this. So wow. Please promise me whenever you make a remix of this, I'm going to be there in this. So I love that video.
Thank you so much.
Done. Thank you guys.
Anything that you want to cite that was interesting on set? How did this happen? We've just heard that it happened in a very few hours.
Two days time, you know. I would definitely say, I mean, as here I have a lot of people who know me already, and we always catch up on sets, you know, in a daily soap set, and we know how it works. We go there at 9 a.m. and we pack up at 9 a.m. and there is not really much scope of doing something very, very different from what your character is. Not that, you know, I'm complaining about it. I'm earning all my money from there. I respect what I'm doing right now. But something of this sort gives you a little chance to just go out there and tell how differently you can stand in the market, and this video did exactly that for me. I mean, I don't remember the last time I looked like this on a TV set, you know. So doing a video and you know, in quite good intervals of time, it gives me a good break and it gives me scope to bring out my real personality. And I couldn't thank these guys enough for approaching me, because there are really a lot of girls and actresses out there who are really glamorous, who look really, really beautiful. And here they were, you know, choosing me over them. It feels great, you know, it feels amazingly near. And shooting for it was hectic, was humid, a lot of humidity. It was in Goa, and we were really going out of time at around 2 in the night. It was really getting difficult. I had a few, you know, things with him, but then the outcome has to be great. And I really want to thank Cash, you know, my makeup artist who stood by me doing my makeup, my hair. She stood like a rock, and if I've looked good in this video, it's only because of her. So thank you guys, thank you everybody for giving me an opportunity. Jyotika, Kumar, Ramji, I'm really glad. Thank you guys.
अनिया जी, जब आप टीवी शो कर रहे हैं आपका एक अलग कैरेक्टर होता है, लेकिन जब आप इसको सोलो परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जब आपको अप्रोच किया गया तो आपको ज़्यादा सोचना पड़ा एक नए लुक के लिए, या फिर आपको अच्छा लगा और आपने हाँ कर दिया?
You know, a lot of my friends and a lot of my industry people tell me that I dress up really dramatically, I dress up differently, and you bring something to the table all the time, you make appearances. But what they do not know is that how many panic attacks do I have before I attend an event, because of the fact that somewhere I do want to make a difference when I dress up, somewhere I do want to make a different, you know, make it different, and I do, you know, want to be talked about. People say, no, it doesn't matter, you know, this is how, but I'm so on point with all my things that I want to do, and I really, a lot of thought goes into what I'm wearing, what I do. Maybe sometimes my experiment go wrong, sometimes don't, but then I do get very, very panicked, you know, before I attend an event. Like before this, I was just freaking out. So yes, it is tough for me.
नेहा, जो भी काम करती है डिपेंड कुछ स्पेशल होता है और कुछ हटके होता है, हम ये बोल सकते हैं. इसमें क्या, इस सॉन्ग में क्या खास बात लगी जब आपको ऑफर हुआ था कि मुझे ये सॉन्ग करना ही चाहिए?
जब मैंने ये कॉन स्टार्ट किया था, फर्स्ट थिंग आई सेड, रामजी बॉट मी विद द वेरी फैक्ट दैट इट वाज अ सोलो वीडियो. Like all other videos has just a girl roaming around, have a few beauty shots, and she's done in the video. The guy is the main thing, because whoever the singer is. Like Jyotika would have actually pulled the video off, you know, very well. She could have just had a nice guy, you know, dancing in a corner. She would have nailed it too, but she was kind enough to give me this song.
So sweet of you to say that, but yeah. What you've done is something I don't think, I mean, You are you, okay. I don't know if it's right to say, but हमारी बात है. You are badass, and I like it. I love it about you.
Thank you. That's really great when you hear something like this from people. Khas baat about this video that it was a solo video and it is only featuring me. There is nobody else, and I have my own limelight here.
इस वीडियो में काफी हॉट दिख रही है, बोल सकते हैं, और ये सोशल मीडिया पे काफी ट्रोल्स भी होते हैं ऐसे वीडियोस, और एक्टर्स भी काफी ट्रोल होते हैं, तो इन सब चीजों को कैसे हैंडल करते हैं?
Troll, I don't think इस वीडियो में troll होने वाला कुछ है, but you know, going by the social media norms, everything gets trolled. I have a record of getting trolled each time I do something. So if this gets trolled, I don't mind, but I think I like the product personally. People are happy, and this video has nothing so bad about it that it should get trolled for. And even by far, the YouTube comments have been good. So I guess it is getting a positive review. But all I want is that it should be a hit and it should be played in all the clubs very very soon. मैंने कभी किसी को कुछ पिलाने के लिए ज़िद नहीं की, बिकॉज आई नो हाउ मच एवरीबडी स्टमक मीन्स टू देम, और किसकी कितनी कैपेसिटी आई हैव नो आइडिया. सो मैं फ्रेंडशिप में भी ये सब नहीं करती हूँ, बट आई नो वन गाय जो आपको अपने घर पार्टी के लिए बुलाएगा और वो आपको फिर सीधे पैरों पे नहीं जाने देगा, एंड दैट्स रवि दुबे. सो द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एवर एक्चुअली हैड एन एक्सपीरियंस विद यू नो ऑल दिस होरपिला एंड ऑल दैट. सो आई एंटर्ड हिज हाउस एंड ही जस्ट शव्ड 4-5 यू नो ड्रिंक्स इन my mouth, and उसके बाद मैं कहाँ थी मुझे खुद नहीं पता. So I've never done that, but doing the song, I think you know we should all just sing Horpilla, but not actually.
वो फर्स्ट टाइम कब था जब आपने ट्राई किया होगा?
2-3 साल पहले. I mean, मैं जो मुंबई आई थी, everybody used to be like, oh you don't drink, oh you don't smoke, but then I don't know what was the facade about that. But then I tried, I occasionally drank, but I don't think I'm fetching anything out of it, and except you know bloating my stomach, and which I don't want, and I've just stopped it.
गाना काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. ऑफ स्क्रीन क्या माहौल था, ऑन स्क्रीन तो हम देख लिया, और ऑफ स्क्रीन क्या माहौल था?
बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल होता है, यू नो, भागना पड़ रहा है. एंड राम जी वॉज जल्दी जल्दी प्लीज़ यू नो लोकेशन ये एंड 3 कॉस्ट्यूम चेंजेस थे, विच इज़ वेरी रेयर इन एनी वीडियो. सो बहुत मुश्किल था टू यू नो मेकअप का ध्यान रखना, टू हैव द क्लोथ्स ऑन दिस थिंग, एंड ही वॉज देयर जस्ट यू नो कि अब जल्दी से रेडी होके आ जाओ. नाउ समबडी प्लीज़ टेल हिम 1 घंटा लगता है, यू नो. सो थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ें इधर उधर थी, बट आई थिंक वी ऑल वांटेड अ गुड आउटकम विच वी हैव टुडे, सो नो कंप्लेंट्स व्हाटसोएवर.
द सॉन्ग इज क्वाइट ट्रिपी, तो आपकी फेवरेट लाइन कौन सी थी इसमें?
एकदम से मेरा दिल नहीं भरता, दम ये मुझको होरपिला.